Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Smart Traveler app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Smart Traveler is an official mobile app developed by the U.S. Department of State, designed to help travelers stay informed and safe while abroad. The app provides up-to-date travel advisories, country-specific information, embassy and consulate contacts, safety alerts, and health guidelines. It integrates with the STEP, Smart Traveler Enrollment Program, allowing U.S. citizens to register their trips, receive critical updates, and be contacted in case of emergencies. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate Smart Traveler's reliable, government-backed information and the ability to access alerts and embassy contacts quickly. The STEP integration offers peace of mind by ensuring travelers can be reached during emergencies, while country-specific advisories and tips make planning safer and more efficient. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users feel the interface could be more modern, and navigation may not be as intuitive as other travel apps. Additionally, the app mainly caters to U.S. citizens, which may limit its usefulness for international travelers. In summary, the Smart Traveler app may be worth using if you want trusted, government-provided travel information, emergency support, and safety updates while abroad. However, if you need a broader travel planning app with booking and itinerary features, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.